everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn what are counter trend lines and what are channels. Okay, so you guys will know the difference and how to use them for your trading. Okay, in the previous video, you learned what are trend lines. In today's video, we're going to learn and draw them on the chart. What are counter trend lines and channels? Let's hide everything so you can see a better, clear picture of my trends and the chart. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, give me likes. I really appreciate it in advance. It really helps my channel and to create more videos and to give more free content. So please subscribe. I truly appreciate it. So let's go ahead. If you haven't watched the video on trend lines, please go ahead and watch that so you'll know exactly what I'm talking about when drawing these channels and counter trend lines. So first we're going to start with channels. So this will give you a better vision where the market is heading on its support and resistance, okay, especially when it's trending. So let's go ahead and, like I said, the previous video, you learned what a trend line is. So I'm drawing my trend line and I'm taking it. Remember, you need 2 to connect and 3 to confirm. So I'm going to run this all the way down, okay? That's our trend line. Now this is showing us that the market is trending and we looking to take trades based on our trend line. Like I said, go to the previous video, watch the video on trend lines. So we're going to draw a channel. Once you have your trend line run down on one side, on the side that is trending, in this case is a downtrend, I'm going to go on the other side. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take this top here. I'm going to take that top. I'm going to run it down all the way down, just like I did at the top. Okay. Now we created a channel, and I'm going to show you why and how to read this. So if you see at the top, the market has respecting our trend line just beautifully. All right, it's creating higher lows, and if we look at the trend line at the bottom, which we created a channel, it's been doing the same thing. It's been coming and respecting this channel and bouncing from the bottom to the top and creating these lower highs and lower lows. Just beautiful. So a channel is just like you do in your trend line. You're going to do it at the bottom where the market has been bouncing back and forth between that channel. So let's look at one more example here. We're going to do it right here. So we got a trend line going. We're going to start from the top and we're going to run it all the way up, okay? Whoops. We're going to do it, and then we're going to do it again at the bottom, at the top, and then we created our channel. So this will give you a vision on what the market is doing and where is opportunity for you to get in that market. Okay, so these are your channels. Just creating that channel. Okay, and then counter trend lines. Counter trend lines are more as a price action channels or trend lines. For example, this is a price action pattern. What I do with these, same thing how you use trend lines. I take 2 to connect. 1, 2, and I run it all the way up. And now as you see, it broke out of this channel. Okay, this will give you a better vision where the market is headed. And when you have your channels, you see that our next support is down here. Okay, so these really help. So counter trend lines are price action. Price action, like these patterns, just little bit areas like this when the market has been trending. You can box this up if you don't, especially if you're a newbie and you don't know all the patterns and the names of them. When I was a newbie, I would just take them. You know, you need two to connect. As long as you got two to connect and you run that down and you just watch what happens between your counter trend lines or channels or patterns, whatever you want to call them, so it could give you a better vision on the breakout. There's a video in my channel on breakouts. Go ahead and watch that video as well, so you can know what a breakout are, so you can have better opportunities to get in the market. So very simple. When you're doing, once you know how to do your trend line and you see a channel running, just do your top and bottom just like this, so you can be guided with this trend channels. And then using the counter trend line, like I said, these are price action counter trend line, just to guide you through patterns, consolidations, and breakouts. Alright guys, hope this video was helpful. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.